How to read a text message without opening it on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can read a text message without opening it on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can actually go ahead and then basically read a text message without opening it on iPhone in two ways. One way is if you are connected to the internet, you'll most likely receive the notifications from it. So when you swipe down your notification settings, you should be able to see any sort of notifications and messages that you might have received. The other is most of the applications does support it. So far it's working on WhatsApp, Messenger and other social media apps. So when you open WhatsApp over here, you received a message from this person. You don't want to open this message because it is going to let them know. So what you need to do is just long press on that message, and when you long press on that message, here you should be able to see the message that this person has actually sent you. Now this is working over here. You can also try this on Messenger app or other applications. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it may not work. When you long press on it, you should be able to go ahead and then basically add it and see the messages without letting the other person know and without ever opening it as well. This way you should be able to see the messages without opening on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.